European Union energy ministers held an informal meeting in Prague on Wednesday to discuss solutions for high gas prices, preparing for the energy situation this winter, and a possible revision of the electricity market. According to a statement issued by the Czech presidency of the EU after the meeting, discussions aim to define the European Commission's legislative proposals on joint gas purchases and possible price capping. Czech Minister of Industry and Trade Josef Sikala said that he hoped that the European Commission would take this discussion into account during the preparation of the legislative proposal on this issue. Sikala added that the legislative proposal should be published by the European Commission next week, and he believed that the energy ministers would be able to discuss it at the formal Energy Council on October 25 in Luxembourg. The main elements of the proposal should include a functional platform for joint gas purchases, increasing the transparency of the Title Transfer Facility Price Index, and strengthening its resilience to speculative behavior. Joint purchases would help the entire 27-member bloc to achieve more favorable bulk prices for natural gas, which would help with soaring costs. The ministers also discussed the energy preparedness of individual countries, the entire EU bloc and neighbouring regions ahead of the winter season, as well as the functioning of the European electricity market.